Can you guess the output of this Python code snippet? You will have 10 seconds to choose one answer from 4 options. The correct answer is a. X is between 5 and 15. This is a chain comparison, which is a unique feature in Python. It checks whether X is greater than 5 and less than 15. Since X is 10, the condition 5 less than 10 less than 15 is true, because 10 is indeed greater than 5 and less than 15. Because the condition is true, the code inside the if block is executed, which prints X is between 5 and 15. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.